Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the home of delicious crafted recipe. So guys, today I'm here to make a meal replacement smoothie for you, and as you can see, I have two main ingredients, which is carrot and cabbage. So I'm just going to go straight in the recipe, as this is very quick and easy and it takes you a maximum of 10 minutes in the kitchen. So I'm just slicing my cabbage and my carrot, and there's no particular way of slicing this. You can slice it anyhow you want it, bigger or smaller. You don't have to do it the way I'm doing it here. So guys, tell me what you think about my recipes that I'm uploading. Tell me which is your favorite recipe to date. Let me know if you have been trying any of my recipe. I would really love to know what you think and what you have tried and how did it go down in your kitchen. So after slicing, I'm just using some boiling water just to tenderize the carrot and the cabbage, because we want the texture to be really smooth. So I'm just going to pour the water off, and then we just add them to a blender. Then I'm going to be adding some almond nuts, frozen ripe banana, and I'm using plant-based oat milk and peanut butter. And the brand peanut butter that I use is Whole Earth peanut butter. So you just cover and blend, and guys, I cannot tell you how good this blender is. Every kitchen should have one of these Ninja IQ blender. It's really good. Look how smooth this smoothie looks. So you're just gonna pour in a bowl, and I'm using my calabash bowl here. Guys, we love our calabash bowl. It is really nice, and you know, it's wooden, made from wood, made from the coconut ox. And there is our smoothie, and I just garnish with some chopped almonds as well, some almond shelving, and our smoothie is ready. Hope you enjoy watching this recipe as I enjoy making it for you.